Hello, I'm Francisco Lee. I'm the development manager and squad lead.
I'm Colin Syracuse. I am the product manager.
And welcome to the Anchovy Web App Senior Design Showcase. So, what is Anchovy? Anchovy is a modern recipe management mobile application designed to simplify how users discover, organize, and share recipes. The current mobile application provides an intuitive, user-friendly experience that individuals to store their favorite recipes, explore new dishes, and streamline meal planning all in one place. Anchovy aims to reduce the friction of managing scattered recipes by offering centralized access, personalized recommendations, and collaborative features for sharing with friends and family. By combining convenience with smart organization, Anchovy helps users save time, reduce food waste, and make cooking more accessible and enjoyable for everyday life. And with that, the goal is to create a desktop-friendly version of Anchovy similar to the mobile application that takes advantage of the larger view and unique capabilities of tablets and laptop computers. As for the stakeholders, our sponsors were Diane Stinson, who is the founder, Skylar Raising, who is the software engineer, and Nico Sepulper, who is the graphic designer. As for the faculty, staff, and coach, the project manager was Melanie Kugler-Wright, our tribe lead was Gurvinder Singh, and our coach was Christian Peters. As for the student team, I was the development manager and squad lead, Colin was the product manager, and Teresa was a developer. As for the other developers, we had Angel Morales, Brian Hernandez, Mercedes Nolda, and Seth Gonzalez. As for the problem and opportunity, the problem Anchovy provided us was that Anchovy currently exists primarily as a mobile application, limiting usability on larger devices, and limited accessibility can reduce overall user experience. As for the opportunity, it was to develop a desktop-friendly web application to complement the mobile app. And we provide a larger screen, more readable interface, improved navigation and usability, and to also expand the reach of Anchovy to a broader audience. And I'll pass it off to Colin for the product solution.
All right. So, yeah, right here we just have, I'm just going to display you a couple of screenshots that demo our product solution. So as you can see here, we have our recipe page and are adding a new recipe. The recipe page is just where you're going to find all your recipes that you have uploaded to your account. And so as you can see, I have some recipes on there. There's a scroll bar, so you can scroll through that sidebar. And then on the right side, you'll see the actual recipe that's open. And that'll just have all your information on how to actually make that recipe, how much time it'll take, and also have like a nice little picture to get your mouth watering before you make your recipe. And so, yeah, and then the adding a new recipe, you have several different options when it comes to adding a recipe. So like you add from a link or use a photo upload of a physical recipe if you want to upload like that. And so you have a couple different options when it comes to adding a recipe. Yeah. And then our cookbooks page. So right here is where you're going to find all your different cookbooks. Currently, you cannot actually get a cookbook on the web app. You'd have to go into the mobile app and purchase one. But if you have one on your account, this is where it's going to appear. And on the left side is the I guess we have the titles there flipped. That should be the cookbooks page, and that one should be the cookbooks recipe page. The cookbooks page just has all your different cookbooks on there, their titles and their images. And then if you click on one, you get brought to the cookbooks recipes page. And then similar to the recipes page, you'll be able to scroll through all the different recipes in there. And yeah. And then we have our friends list in the friend profile view. This is just so you can see all your different friends. In the mobile app, there is a Twitter feed, and you can share recipes on there. Currently, there is not a social feed on the web app, but you are able to manage your friends on the web app. And so, as you can see, I have some friends added here, and they're all displayed. And then when you click on a friend, you are able to see different information about their account. So as you can see here, I have clicked on myself, and I have 64 recipes, 9 cookbooks, and 2 friends. And then, of course, you can see my my username and stuff. But yeah, Anchovy is a social recipe app. So, yep. All right, and then we have the settings page. So you can go to any of those links, and then you'll be able to see the privacy policy and support and all that stuff. And then we got the settings profile edit, so you can edit all that stuff. And then, yeah, so pretty self-explanatory, but while I'm here, I just like to highlight that all these different pages are very responsive. We can't really demo that with just screenshots, but if you went to our booth, you'd be able to see that, you know, when this application is usable on a variety of window sizes and device sizes. So very usable on a laptop or a tablet or phone, and yeah.
Yeah, as for our value and highlights, for the highlights, we designed an intuitive user interface optimized for larger screens, implemented responsive layouts for cross-device compatibility. We created core features including profile, recipe management, and cookbooks, and adapted to evolving UI design requirements. And for the results, we successfully developed a minimum viable product aligned with sponsor goals and delivered a working system that demonstrates key web-based functionality and established a foundation for future enhancements. As for the learning opportunities, we learned to navigate ambiguity by refining unclear requirements into actionable features, led and communicated in meetings, by improving team sponsor collaboration, incorporating feedback by balancing sponsor input with technical feasibility, and understanding real-world design constraints, aligning UI decisions with user needs. Thank you for joining us today, and be sure to come by our booth to see a demo of our product.